Good day, everyone. I'm Alvin Insorio, together with my wife, Jorlyn Insorio, from SDO San Pedro City. It's our honor to present to you our action research entitled Messenger Lectures and Video Lessons as Mathematics Intervention for Modular Distance Learning. Modular distance learning causes learning difficulties among the students in the new normal, particularly in mathematics, where the lessons in the modules are not easy to understand and have limited illustration examples. Hence, teacher instruction regarding what activities and performance tasks need to accomplish every week is done through group chat in Messenger. Learning mathematics in the new normal through distance education is challenging. It has been observed from the output submitted by the students that they are struggling to answer the learning activities and performance tasks, which call the attention of the math teachers to implement interventions via Messenger. Based on the different literature, students are struggling in learning the content of the modules, and parents are not capable of helping their children to answer the activities and do the performance tasks. However, Messenger can be used as platform for academic learning. Hence, teacher-made videos can be used to improve students' learning via online platforms, because integrating video lessons into modular distance learning increases the students' performance effectively. So this study anchored on the cognitive theory of multimedia learning that posits that in making videos or lectures, we need to combine different figures, concepts, illustrations to make it understandable to the learners. Also, the study followed the Plan, Do, Study, Act model of action research in implementing the intervention, messenger lecture, and video lessons. The study is a practical action research from the two sections of grade 7 students under basic education at Pasita Complex National High School for school year 2021-2022. One group is assigned as control group, while the other group is experimental group receiving intervention from the teacher. The instrument used were test materials, survey questionnaire, and interview guide question. Based on the findings, sa experimental group, pretest, and the control group pretest has no significant difference since the p-value is 0.410. However, the post-test result from the experimental group and control group has significant difference with a p-value of 0.00. For the table 2 shows the per sample t-test for significant difference in effect size. So based on the data, experimental group, pretest post-test has significant difference because the p-value is 0.000. The same with the control group, the pretest and post-test have significant difference. However, considering the coins D and percentage change, the experimental group has the highest practical value or effect size. Based on the survey, messenger lecture and video lessons help the students to improve their mathematical competencies and perform better in their activities. However, during the interview, the students suggested some of the activities that the teacher must do. First, regular posting of the video lessons and lectures, more examples found in the video lessons, more explanation given by the teacher. And the teacher must talk smoothly and the voice must be clear for the students using the local language. So for the implication, messenger lecture and video lessons guide the students to understand mathematics lesson comfortably. Students perceive that their consumption of the messenger lectures and video lessons help them understand mathematics lesson better. Students are more confident in answering the module activities and performing the assigned tasks in a self-paced manner. Messenger lectures and video lessons help the students academically and equip them with mathematical competencies. These interventions have positive effect on the students' academic performance in mathematics. Students became more confident, competent, and interested in answering the module activities. For the recommendation, there should be action research implemented intended for longer period of time in the different schools to measure the effectiveness of messenger lecture and video lessons. Furthermore, future researchers may conduct thorough experimental design to establish the effectiveness of the said interventions. Here's our references. Thank you and God bless from San Pedro City. Mabuhay.